Good afternoon from Los Angeles, California. This is Marian Steiner again, and today we're going to do Interactive Advanced Concept Presentation 5, an attempt to make a lemon electrochemical cell fire, and also attempt to not destroy my house again. So our ingredients today are 1 lemon, which we have here. We have, it's called for 6 copper clips, but I've got something similar here. I've got some sort of little clip things here from the hardware store. We've got a box of sink nails right here, a piece of wire, which is right here, and steel wool, which is here. So first we're going to take our lemon, which is right here, and we're going to soften it up by rolling it here in my hand like this. All right. So next we're going to take our copper clips and we'll push them into our lemon about 1 centimeter apart. So I've got my 6 copper clips, so we will do that here. I'll push this down so you can sort of see. That should work. Okay, so start right here. Actually, there's a pointer at the end here. Oh, this is not the easiest thing to do. Let me get a... Please hold. Okay, so we're putting these copper clips in. This lemon is a little bit hard, so I'm just massaging it a little bit more here. So let's use this to sort of try and... There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so next we're going to, hang on 1 second. So on the other side, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to use the sink nails and make sure that they don't touch each other. So I've got our sink nails right here. So we will open these up. And we will do it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So we've got that taken care of. So then we're going to take our wire and connect our wire from the 2nd copper clip to the 3rd sink nail. So that's right here. So we're going to go from here, let's see, 2nd copper clip, which is here. I'm going to go to the okay, 2nd copper clip. And then we're going to come around here. This is not so easy. Okay, so if you can see there, we've got that done right there, like that. Perfect. So this should create a reaction between the copper and the zinc that will create electricity. So we're going to connect the wire from each side. So that would be here. So now that we're finished, theoretically this lemon should produce around 5 volts of electricity. So we're going to take our steel wool, which is right here. We're going to take a piece of that. So we've got our steel wool here. And we're going to place it on the ground. So we're going to move over to the sink. Okay, so we have our steel wool that's in place right here. We've stuck it in the sink, as you can see right there, just so in case we don't create a fire. And then we're going to take some toilet paper here. So we've got a wad of toilet paper. We're sort of going to use that as some like kindling, and we're going to place that on top of our steel wool, which is right there. And then we're going to take the wires from our that are connected to our lemon here, and we're going to try and make a circuit, which should theoretically make the steel wool glow red and should eventually start a fire. And we have the water running. It didn't work so well, but we gave it our best shot. I think I need better water wires for it, but yeah, you get the idea, and that was interactive advanced presentation number 5. See you next week.